In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit Google Forms to accepting only one response per respondent. If you're trying to conduct a survey or gather information where it's crucial that each respondent answers only once, setting up your form to limit responses is a valuable feature. So let's dive in and walk through the steps to make this possible. First, you'll need to head over to Google Drive, which is your all-in-one platform for handling Google applications, including Google Forms. Open up your internet browser, go to Google Drive and log in with your Google account if you aren't already. Once you're in Drive, we can move on to the next steps. Next, you'll want to locate the Apps icon in Google Drive. It's typically located in the top right corner of the screen, represented by a grid of small squares. Click on this icon to display the different Google apps you have at your disposal. Here, you'll find Google Forms. Select it to open the application. With Google Forms open, you can either create a new form or select an existing one to modify. For this tutorial, we'll assume you have an existing form that you want to adjust. Find your form within the list and click on it to open it. Now that you have your form opened, your next step is to adjust the settings to limit responses. Look for the settings icon. It's usually represented by a gear symbol positioned towards the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will open up a panel where you can customize various aspects of your form. In the settings menu, navigate to the responses section. This area is specifically dedicated to how you receive and manage the responses from your form. Once you are in the responses section, you'll find an option that allows you to limit responses to one per person. To do this, simply check the box labeled limit to one response. This setting requires that respondents are signed into their Google accounts to fill out and submit their responses. By enabling this option, Google Forms will ensure that each email address is only able to submit one entry. And there you have it, your form is now configured to accept only one response per respondent. This feature is particularly useful when you need to ensure data integrity for activities like voting, quizzes, or official surveys. Be sure to inform your respondents that they'll need to be logged into their Google accounts to complete the form. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Hopefully this helps to streamline your data collection process and keeps your responses organized and precise. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or check out more resources. Happy form creating!